Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Can you see the lecture on the screen, students? Saqib, Abdul Basit, come on the screen right now. Yes, class. Can you see the lecture on the screen?
Yes.
Okay. Samir, can you see? Okay. Now, class, today we will start a new chapter, and chapter name is further function. Okay. It is same as we studied in our previous class 7 में जो हमने पढ़ा था. Okay, same as, but in which we will study about further functions, means the terms which have involving higher terms. Higher terms का हम पढ़ेंगे, and the topic is same, function, relations. Okay, and so यहाँ पर अब हम लोग we will see the recap. Our chapter name is further function, and it is the chapter number 2 in your book. Okay, class. So here, what is function? A function relates an input to an output. Means every one put has only one output. Okay, when we put something inside the machine, and machine will give us the product or result as the output form. Just like as I told you many times, I give the example. Let's suppose when we put orange into the blender, then it will give us orange juice. So orange juice is the output. Okay, class, are you getting my point, student? समझ आ रहा है आपको? So this is the example of function, and function is relate about input to an output. It likes a machine that has an input and an output, as I told you, and an output is related somehow to the input. Whatever you put the values, then answer it will give you the output. So function of x, class, don't discuss anything, listen to me carefully. Function of x is equal to dash dash is the classic way of writing a function, and there are two ways, as you will see. Class, you can see that here we have input, relationship, output. Okay, we will see many ways to think about the functions. There are three main type parts: input, relationship, output. Means here you have example. Let's suppose, understand by the help of example. You have multiply the number, multiply by 2 is a very simple function. Class, you have given input 0, 1, 7, 10. Okay, this is given in question, and whole input you will multiply it by 2. Means you are making a relationship. Input with the 2 mean 2 zeros are 0. When you multiply 2 with 0, it give you the output 0. 2 ones are 2, 7 twos are 14, 10 twos are 20. And here you have question, when you multiply 50 by 2. Class, in the same way, the answer, the process is same. In this question, you have given for an input of 50. When you have number is 50 input and relationship with the 2, answer would be, answer क्या होगा इसका? When you multiply 2 with 50. Yes, class, tell me. When you multiply 2 with 50. Hello? Saqib, what are you saying? I am saying 50 multiply by 2. 50 multiply by 2.
30.
No, dear. 50 multiply by 2. 100. Input we have 50 and relationship we have 2. It becomes 2 zeros are 0 and 2 fives are 10. So for an input of 50, output we got 100. Is there any confusion, class? Okay. Now next topic we have further movement. Very easy topic, class. Try to understand it. Example of functions are, class, listen to me very carefully. Don't look now, class. Squaring is a function, like x square is the function example. X cube plus 1 is also a function, okay? And trigonometric functions we will not discuss. Name. First, it is useful to give a function name. Class, this is very important. हमें पहले function को mention करना होता है name से. Just suppose function of x. Let's suppose we will on left hand side we will write it f of x. F of x means function name, and it is x is input is equal to x square. It is our output. Function name inside the bracket is used as an input, is after equal to means output, okay? And f of x, in place of f we can use another term symbol like g, and even we will use a right name, marmalade, and other names that you want to assign it, okay? We say f of x equal to x square. हम इसको इस तरह पढ़ते हैं, we read this equation symbol like f of x is equal to x square, okay? And so f of x shows us the function is called f and x goes in, and we do use it f of x is equal to x square and example in fx square. Class, यहाँ पे हमारे पास कोई भी example दी जा सकती है. Let's suppose we have given input, x is a input. When we have an input equal to 4, अगर हमारे पास if we have a x value of 4, ये देखिए like this, it become f of 4 is equal to x 16. 16 means put the value in the place of x. X की जगह पर आपने 4 लिखा like this, and then is equal to x square means 4 square. And here we have 4 4s are 16. This is the answer of example x. Is there any confusion, class? यहाँ तक कोई confusion है students? Okay.
No, miss.
Okay. And then okay. Now further example we have. This is last example. Then we will start to solve our exercise 2a. Let's suppose, class, we have function f of x is equal to 1 minus x plus x square. It could be anything. So here when we have q, so x term will be replaced with variable q. When we have h of a जब हमारे पास given होगा, so we will replace a with the x like this. When we have w of theta, this symbol is known as theta. When we have theta term, so we will write the question is in, or output is in theta form. Okay, class? And then variable is just there, so we know that there is to put the values. Here we will, when we have a question in like find function of 2, हमें function of 2 मालूम करना है, then we will write the 2 in place of x, just like 1 minus 2 plus 2 square. 1 minus 2 plus 2 square. 1 minus 2 become minus 1, and plus 2 square means power, it become 2 2s are 4, and then you can get the answer minus plus minus. Here we have answer 3. Done, class? So here we saw the examples and topic about, okay, let me give one more example. Further example मैं अगर आपको दूं real life में हम कैसे इसको देख सकते हैं. Okay, what is the real life example of function? Okay, so here we have real life की example देना. It is very important when we discuss any topic, that how can we relate the function with in our life or in our real life examples around us. Just like you can see that at the top we said that function was like a machine, okay, but our function doesn't really have a belt or cogs or any moving part. We don't see the machine. हमने इसके ये तो नहीं देखा ना कि when we talk about function, but in really कि हमने कोई belt देखा हो, we don't see the cogs and moving parts, and it doesn't mean actually destroy what we put it into. So here function relate an input to an output. Okay, अब हम इसकी एग्जांपल लेते हैं क्लास. Let's suppose this tree, the tree, class listen to me, the tree grows at 20 centimeter every year. Students, हर साल ये दरख्त जो है 20 सेंटीमीटर इंक्रीज होता है, इसकी हाइट बढ़ती है. ओके, दिस ट्री ग्रोज 20 सेंटीमीटर एवरी ईयर. सो द हाइट ऑफ द ट्री इज रिलेटेड टू इट्स एज यूजिंग द फंक्शन एच. क्लास मीन्स इसका क्या है? when age increases, that means in every year it has increased 20 centimeter. So if we have age, class अगर हमारे पास इसकी एज है, जो भी एज है, तो हम इसको मल्टीप्लाई कराएंगे 20 से. Let's suppose if the age is 10 years. Class listen to me and tell me. Class मेरी बात सुनिए. Let's suppose if the tree age is 10 year. अगर ये दरख्त 10 साल का है, so हम इसको किससे मल्टीप्लाई करा रहे हैं? 20 से. Because why? Because every year tree age is increases, so the height is also increases to 20 centimeter. जब एज बढ़ रही है तो उसकी हाइट भी बढ़ रही है. राइट क्लास? So if the age is 10 years, so height is, अगर इसकी age, if the age of the tree is 10, then height would be height will be 10 multiplied by 20. अगर इसकी एज 10 साल है तो इसकी हाइट कितनी है? 200
centimeters.
Yes. So okay, here we have given different assume that zero age, 0 multiplied by 20 become 0 when there is no height. Age जब दरख्त ही नहीं है तो जाहिर सी बात है 0 है. Obviously it shows that when there is no tree, there is no plant, that it means 0 age and 0 height. And then when age, tree of age is 1 year, when the tree is 1 years old, then its height every in 1 year it has increased 20 centimeter, means 120 is a 20. When we have 3.2 multiplied by 20, it becomes 64. When age tree is 15 years old, 15 multiplied by 20, it becomes 300. Done class? Clear है यहाँ तक?
Yes, sir.
Who is saying no? If you have any confusion, ask with me. Yes, कौन कह रहा है no? मुझसे पूछ लीजिए अगर आपको समझ नहीं आया. Yes, Arsalan, any problem? Arsalan, any problem?
Yes, miss.
जी बेटा पूछिए. Yes, ask with me.
मिस समझ आ गई है.
Okay, then start to solve exercise 2A. We will solve exercise 2A. Okay, starting. This is our new chapter, and our topic is function involving higher order expressions. As you can see, this is the question topics are related with the ये बिल्कुल वही है as we started in our class 7. Little bit of difference here we have. So class, here you have given function g of x is equal to x square plus 5, and you will have to find out the value of part A. You have given g of a. Class, you will find out the value g of a, means in place of x you will put a. Okay, solution g of a is equal to, put the value of g function in the question. Like in place of x you will write a cos x is equal to a, like this. g and answer would be, yes class, answer बताइए क्या होगा इसका? What will be the answer?
A square plus 5.
Very good. It become a square plus 5. Can we solve it further? क्या हम इसे मजीद solve कर सकते हैं?
5.
Yes or no?
Yes, miss कर सकते हैं.
No.
How? No dear, we cannot solve it further. हम इसको solve नहीं कर सकते because a square is a variable term and 5 is a constant term. We cannot add. We will write it. This is the final answer of the question, right class? ये हमारा answer है. So we have done part A. Now part B. Part B देखते हैं हम. We have given g of, we will read the question, g of a plus 1 question in part B, we have given g of a plus 1. So in place of x, we will write, this is the value of x. ये x की जगह पर we will write a plus 1 in the question. Okay, like this. So according to given condition, अब हम इसको क्वेश्चन में पुट करेंगे. दिस इज आवर ओरिजिनल क्वेश्चन. इक्वेशन एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 5, x square plus 5, it become a plus 1 is the value of x. If you have any confusion, please ask with me. फिर बार बार नहीं, बाद में नहीं कहिएगा कि ये समझ नहीं आया. अभी मुझसे जो आप पूछ सकते हैं, ask me. Okay, it become a plus 1 whole square plus 5, and you know that class a, it is the form of a plus b whole square. ये formula की form है, like a square. Further, if we simplified it, a square, this is simplification form. A square plus 2a, I am opening the bracket with the help of formula. 2ab plus b square, and plus 5 we will write as it is, because there is no simplification involving on this constant term. We will write as it is. So now 2 on the, it become, yes, a square plus 2ab plus b square, and it become 2 on the 2 on the 2a 1 the 2a. And you know, 1 square of 1 will be, 1 का square क्या होता है? 1 ही होता है, means 1 1 the 1. And then final answer we have. अब हमारा final answer जो आया इसको solve करके, here we got the answer a square as it is, because it cannot solve with other terms, because it is higher order. Power 2 है, power 2 किसी के पास नहीं है, we will write as it is. 2a we will write as it is, because like term, to a, it does not have a like term. 5 plus 1 become 6. Yes class, this is the answer of part B. See the question, and if you have any confusion, ask with me. देखिए और मुझे बताइए कोई confusion इसमें class? No confusion? Hello students, no confusion? Okay. No. Let move forward. No. Part C देखिए class. Part C में क्या करेंगे? You have given in a combination form of two terms g a plus 1 minus g a minus 1. Can you explain me how to solve this question? आप मुझे बता सकते हैं? Can you define me how to solve this question? Yes class.
सॉल्व करेंगे.
First we solve g a plus 1, then we solve g a minus 1, and whole values we will solve according to minus condition, and then we will get our answer. Like first we solve g a plus 1. Here first part question we will break into two parts. First part we have in value in place of x we will put a plus 1. Class पहले हम इसको solve करेंगे. Okay, then put the values in question. It become g a plus 1 like this, and is equal to, in place of x we are putting value of x. It become a plus 1 whole square plus 5. Okay students, and then open the bracket with the help of formula. When we have two terms inside the bracket with plus form and outer and power we have square, it will open with the help of formula of a square plus 2a square plus 2ab, and then as we solved in part B में जो भी हमने solve की थी, b square and plus 5 as it is, because 5 is a constant term and no power is applying on this. It become a square, 2a 1 the 2a, and square of 1 1 are 1, and 1 plus 5 is 6. So answer of part 1, a square plus 2a, we will write as it is, because they cannot solve with each other. ये दोनों एक दूसरे से solve नहीं हो सकती, because a has the power where 2a has the power 1. So variables for addition like term must be important. 5 plus 1 become 6. This is the solution of GA plus 1, but the question is not complete here. Now second part we have GA minus 1. GA minus 1, we will write a minus 1 in place of question. Like this, x is equal to GA minus 1. I am putting a minus 1 value in question like this. A, it become, question become a minus 1 and plus 5. So a minus 1 will also be open with the help of formula a minus 1b, a minus b के whole square से खुलेगा, like a square minus 2. This is the formula of a minus b whole square. 2ab plus b square and b square and plus 5. Okay, there is a difference of only minus sign. In plus form we will यहाँ पे plus होता है, and in minus form we have a minus sign with 2. So answer we will have a square minus 2a 1 जा 2a, and 1 square 1 1 जा 1, and 1 plus 5 become 6. Class, this is equation. You can mention the equation 1 and equation number 2. ये हम mention कर सकते हैं equation number 1 and equation number 2. So according to given condition, equation, अब condition हमारे पास ये है, equation 1, EQ means equation 1 minus equation 2. Okay, so here we have equation 1 को equation 2 से हम minus कर देंगे. First you will write according to given condition. Before mentioning it is important to mention the terms or conditions in question like this. I'm repeating the question. Okay, and GA plus 1 we have a square plus 2a plus 6. Okay, and then just a second, students.
Okay.
And then minus, in middle we have, in middle value, in middle we have minus sign, and after minus sign we will write second equation, a square minus 2a plus 6. Okay, equation 1 minus equation 2. Open the by, I wrote the second term in bracket. Before minus, before second term we have minus sign. Second bracket से पहले हमारे पास minus sign है, and when we open bracket it become 2a plus 6. We will write as it is. Okay, open bracket and sign will change due to the minus. Minus, it become minus a square. Okay, and then minus minus plus, and minus plus minus. Okay, and then class, opposite sign cancel from each other, like a square minus, just a second, students. Yes, class, are you getting my point,
Yes.
students? So our answer would be, हमारे पास जो फॉर्म आई थी, it becomes a square plus 2a plus 6 plus when we open the bracket, sign changed, it become minus minus plus. ये हमारी फाइनल फॉर्म थी जो हमने अभी सॉल्व की थी. And then wait a minute, it become minus minus plus and minus 6. Now class, plus a square cancel from minus a square, plus 2a cancel from no, 2a will not be cancelled. 2a cancel नहीं होगा. Why? Is there any confusion? Yes, class, tell me. We will not cancel the 2a term. Can you tell me? साकिब, समीर, इश्माल, हमजा, कैसे स्टूडेंट्स डियर, आप मुझे बता सकते हैं कि मैंने ये क्यों कैंसिल नहीं किया यहाँ पर? तो सारे स्टूडेंट्स आज मेरे पास बताइए, शाबाश. Why I am not cancelling 2a from 2a? आप मुझे रीजन बता सकते हैं? यस साकिब बताइए. डियर समीर, हम इश्माल.
टीचर 2 उसमें वैल्यू नंबर है.
हमारे पास a square
एक नंबर वैल्यू है.
We also had a square is same, but we cancelled it. Why? Can you tell me? आप मुझे बता सकते हैं? Because the numbers have opposite sign. इनके ऊपर opposite sign था. Okay? ये plus में था. Here we have minus form. Plus 6, minus 6. That's why they cancel with each other. मतलब 1a square minus 1 से cancel होके क्या दे देगा? 0. Plus 6 minus 6 क्या हो जाएगा? 0. But they have same sign. Okay? ये same sign है. Plus 2a become. अब बताइए क्या आंसर होगा? Now tell me. Plus 2a plus 2a. 2 plus 2.
4a.
4a. Excellent. Is there any confusion class?
No.
Okay, let's move forward. अब हम next question की तरफ move करते हैं. Which is question number 2. Question number 2 हमारे पास है. Yes class. Question number 2 is same. Question number 2 भी हमारे पास same है. F of 1, but here we have given numbers. हमारे पास numbers हैं. In place of variable के बजाय हमारे पास number given है. Okay. So how to solve? Very easy questions. Original question we have f of x is equal to 1 upon 2 x plus 1. Okay. And then class we have f of x, f of 1. F of 1 हमारे पास means wait a minute. First we write place of x. X की जगह पर हमें क्या given है class? We have given value of x is equal to 1. Okay. In question number A, we have given x is equal to 1. So put the value in question like this. It become f of 1 is equal to, I am putting value in equation. In question it become 1 upon 2 x. In place of x we will write 1. Okay, and then 1 plus 1. Is there any confusion class? यहाँ तक कोई problem?
No.
Okay, then we will write f of 1 is equal to 1 upon 2 1 you know, when we multiply any number with 1 we will write it as it is. जब भी हम 1 से कोई चीज multiply कराते हैं हमारे पास क्या आ जाता है? As it is answer आ जाता है. Okay, and now 1 plus 1 become 2. And cancel from 2. 2 से क्या हो गया? Cancel हो गया. And it become answer we will have only 1 क्योंकि हमारे पास this is the answer of f of 1. Part A का आंसर ये था. Is there any confusion? साकिब और जो बासित, no problem.
No miss.
Okay. Part B is same, so it is homework. Part C देखते हैं. Okay class, let's see part See, we have f of x minus 1. In place of x, we have value given x is equal to x minus 1. I am solving part C and x is equal to x minus 1. Okay. And then it become f of x minus 1 is equal to 1 upon 2. In place of x, we will write x minus 1. Okay, class? X minus
Yeah.
1. And this is the value of x and then a bracket x plus 1. In place of 1, we will write x. Sorry, it's a mistake. It becomes x minus 1. And plus 1 is given in question like this. ये हमने किसकी जगह पर लिखा है? x की जगह पर in place of x dot x minus 1 plus 1 is given in question. Okay, ताकि focus on the question please. 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2 x minus 1 we will write as it is. Okay, and then minus 1 plus 1 cancel. यहाँ तक कोई problem? This is the answer of part C. See this question and tell me if you have any confusion. Just we put the values and simplified it. Yes, क्या क्या हमने ये देखिए 1 upon 2 ये देखिए original question we had. Original question हमारे पास ये है 1 upon 2 x and x plus 1. ये देखिए क्लास ये हमारा original question है. So I put the value of x. x की जगह पर x minus 1 put किया, x की place पर x minus 1 put किया, plus 1 question में था और minus 1 plus 1 से cancel हो गया और बाकी terms हमने as it is लिखा. कोई confusion इसमें? हमजा, साकिब, इशमल, जुलेखा? No
No,
problem?
teacher.
जी dear? No problem?
Oh,
Okay, let's solve another question. Last question of the class. अब हम लोगों का last question है part D. I am solving function of 5 minus function of 4. Class function of 5, f of 5 means first part we will solve according to given condition x is equal to 5. Okay. First part we will solve, it become 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2, and then we will write 5 and x plus 1. x plus 1 means क्या है class? हमारे पास है x plus 1. We have 5 plus 1. Okay, the question and is given in book. So now it become 1 upon 2 5 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 क्या हो जाएगा हमारे पास? 6. Class, this question is written in this form. ये जो question है ना, ये हमारे पास इस तरह से given है 1 upon 2. This question is like this is okay. x plus 1. ये देखिए ये हमारे पास सवाल इस तरह से given है. And then idea, next idea how to अभी आगे कितना solve होगा class?
समझ आया?
2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, and it become 5 3s are 15. Okay, it is the answer of function of 5 and then function of 4. Function of 4 में क्या होगा? In place of x we will put the values like 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2, 4 and 4 plus 1, 4 plus 1. Okay, ये मैंने आप x function of 4 put किया है. It become 4 plus 1. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So answer would be, ये देखिए 5 4 plus 1 कितना होता है? 5 5 2s are 10. And then class, according to given condition, function of 5 minus function of 4. Function of 5 minus function of 4. Function of 5 answer is 15 and function of 4 we have answer 10. और हमारा आंसर क्या आ गया? 5. डन है क्लास? यहाँ तक कोई कंफ्यूजन? Students, any confusion?
No.
No? So can you do it by yourself for the questions? आप ये questions आगे खुद कर सकते हैं?
Yes.
Okay. So now class, this is the end of the class, but now listen to me. I am taking your attendance. Before attendance, मैं आपको एक बात बता दूं. आप लोगों को 14 अगस्त के लिए preparation करनी है. You will perform on, you can sing national song पर, और आप लोग secondary classes हैं, so make a speech of 5-minute speech बनानी है आपको, और on for about 14 अगस्त, ठीक है? और आपको ग्रीन और वाइट कलर का ड्रेस पहनना है और अपनी वीडियो आपको 5 मिनट की 3 मिनट्स की बनाकर ग्रुप में सेंड करनी है. ये मैम का जो है ना हमारे लिए नोटिस है, और आप लोगों ने सबने इस पर काम करना है. मेक अ 5 मिनट स्पीच एंड रिकॉर्ड इट, एंड विद वाइट एंड ग्रीन जो हमारा नेशनल ड्रेस है ना उसके ऊपर बनानी है. ओके क्लास? और आपने स्पीच करनी है और अपनी वीडियोस रिकॉर्ड करके भेजनी है. गॉट इट? कर लेंगे ना ये काम?
Yes, miss.
Okay, now I'm taking your attendance. Abdul Ahad means Ashna is present. Arsalan,
Miss.
Hamza, Ismail,
Present, miss.
Abdul Basit, and Sakib. And
Present.
Sania is present, right? Okay, class. Koi confusion?
No, miss.
Okay.
Miss.
Allah Hafiz.
Miss.